So when you're first going into development, you're going to need at least 5 strategic partners to help you through your deal start to finish. And the first one is going to be your broker. And it starts with defining, what are you trying to build? Are you doing a commercial project and it's a strip center? Are you doing a housing project, so you need someone familiar with multifamily? You want a broker who specializes in that type of work. So you literally would do a Google search, find the brokers, call them up, tell them your type of project, see if that's their expertise, and keep calling until you find the right one who truly knows your market. The next one would be an architect. They're going to be the ones who are designing your project for you. So same thing. You're Google searching, you're calling. So same way with your engineers that you bring on the project. You want to know that they're familiar with the water and the sewer companies, because that's going to be more important from an engineering standpoint than what type of building you're building. With your lenders, same concept. One, bring all of these partners in early and often before you even have a deal. Start building that relationship. Then you want to make sure that they are familiar with a mixed use building, and they're going to be able to tell you what the interest rates are, what the terms for that loan are. And then the last strategic partner would be your general contractor. That's going to be the person building it. Same thing as architects. You can just get into real estate as long as you're very smart and strategic